We now shift focus to South Asia. Sri Lanka has chosen its next president in Anura Kumara Dissanayake, a leader whose political fortunes have changed after the 2022 economic meltdown. Here's a report on what has been a landmark election for the island nation, one that will now determine its growth prospects. Take a look.
From a record 38 presidential candidates contesting in this pivotal election, Sri Lanka has chosen its next president in Anura Kumara Dissanayake. But for the 55-year-old leader of the JVP, it was not an easy win. Millions of Sri Lankans voted on Saturday in an election that turned to be historic in more ways than one. As the vote counting progressed in the early hours of Sunday, it became clear that the island nation was not handing out a decisive mandate. By early evening, the race was down to two candidates, AKD and his political rival Sajith Premadasa. Since neither cleared the 50% vote share mark, election officials proceeded to count preferential votes for the first time in Sri Lanka's electoral history. As the day drew to a close, the people's mandate became increasingly clear. They chose a Marxist-leaning leader in Dissanayake, who promised Sri Lanka's people a more stable and affordable future. The election outcome makes one thing crystal clear. The 2022 economic crisis has shaped the Sri Lankan people's verdict. The mass agitation may have forced the Rajapaksas to flee, paving the way for Ranil Wickremesinghe to take the reins. But 2 years on, people of the island nation do not seem to agree that the outgoing president did enough to address their woes. While Wickremesinghe may have made headway in taming the runaway inflation, Sri Lankans are still unhappy about higher taxes and a crippling cost of living. The president-elect now has a plate full of challenges. What Dissanayake has promised to bring to the table is a tax reform and a pledge to renegotiate the existing IMF bailout agreement. The question now is, can he deliver the change that Sri Lankans have voted for this time? Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
And as expected, it's celebrations galore in the JVP camp after party leader Anura Kumara Dissanayake, AKD, has won the election in Sri Lanka. Our correspondent Dasuni Athoda gets us some reactions from Colombo. Listen to this.
We don't have experience in making the country bankrupt for sure, but we have experience, we will gain experience in building the country.
Will it be the next Prime Minister?
We haven't decided that.
Yeah.
Really, we feel very happy about this winning. We want to celebrate. Really, we want to celebrate this winning. Okay, because since long time we have been waiting for this time, this only. So finally we did it. So at the end of the day, what we need is a clean country. What we are expecting is that is the thing. We need a clean country without corruption and without drugs and without anything. Because our generation, we need a beautiful country for the generation. And what we need is we need to develop all this country, okay? And the people wants to live their life very peacefully, okay? And law and order to be follow up as per the rules, okay? And without any problem to the people, for the public.